Our friends at Qidi sent us a Q2, and is it the best $600 3D printer out there for engineering filament? I was able to test out PPA-CF, PPA-CF, and a bunch more other engineering filaments, and I'm pretty impressed. One of the key selling features of the Qidi Q2 is the high hot end temperature. That, and pairing it with a heated chamber, makes printing with tougher materials way easier than it's supposed to be. And I was skeptical at the beginning, having doubts on how the hot end would clog, or would this even print on the printer. But after doing some test prints, the Q2 did prove itself, which made me realize you can get so much with this printer for $600. Having access to other types of materials in 3D printing is quite crucial depending on the application, where high temperature resistance is needed, better tensile strength, compression, or impact resistance. And there's so much more parameters out there, but it really depends on what you're trying to engineer. And if you want an entry-level 3D printer for industrial parts, then the Qidi Q2 is a very good contender to this. It's not a perfect printer, but for the price point, it's something you can overlook. This is definitely something I'd add into my 3D printing collection and do a follow-up video on how reliable this would be over the coming years. And if you have any questions about the Qidi Q2 or would want to see certain prints on this printer, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit that like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow. And see you on the next one.